Is Instagram automatically increasing your screen brightness? Don't worry, here are a few easy fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from changing your screen brightness. Let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. Go to Display. Now look for an option called Adaptive Brightness or Auto Brightness. If it's turned on, switch it off. This feature automatically adjusts your screen brightness and can sometimes make Instagram appear brighter than normal. Next, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Apps. Find and select Instagram from the list. Now, tap on Permissions. Look for the camera permission. You can try setting it to Don't Allow or temporarily disabling it. This can prevent Instagram from increasing brightness when using the camera or viewing certain stories. Keep in mind, this may limit camera features inside the app. After making these changes, open Instagram again and check if the issue is fixed. And that's it. These simple steps should help you stop Instagram from automatically increasing brightness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.